Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to copy location link in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute and updates. Well, you can go ahead, zoom in and select the location from the map, or go ahead and tap on that search bar and select a location there. Once you select the location, from the bottom of the screen you can see a small menu where there's directions, start, save, and if you scroll it a little bit you can see there's a share option. Just select share option, then you can find three options there: share this place, copy link, and share as a collaborative list. Go ahead and select copy link there, and guys, that's it. That's how you copy location link in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.